introduce myself. My name is Nurjati. I'm from PC. Now I would like to listen my thesis proposal about an analysis of speech act by ballet in movie Beauty and the Beast. I divided my presentation into three parts. The first part is introduction. The second is review of literature, and the last is research method. The first is introduction, and I also divided into several parts. The first is background of the study, research question, purpose of the study, significance of the study, scope of the study, and definition of the study of key terms and research report organization. First is background of study. Language is one of the most important part in social environment. People also use language as a tool to do things. In the study of language, what people do by saying words is called speech act. Speech acts is the study which deals with how to do things with words. According to Austin, cited in Levinson, 1983, on page 238, suggests that in writing a sentence, a speaker is generally involved in three different acts. Normally, speech act can be found in conversation. The conversation in the movie can be a good example of speech act because it represents the complex case of speech act in order to find out what the main character do by saying something. Next is research question. There are two research questions. The first is what type of speech acts are used by Bella in the movie Beauty and the Beast? Second is what is the most dominant type of speech acts used by Bella in the movie Beauty and the Beast? The purpose of the study. First is to know types of speech acts are used by Bella in the movie Beauty and the Beast, and the second is to know the most dominant types of speech acts are used by Bella found in the movie Beauty and the Beast. Next, significance of the study. The results of this study are hoped to give some contribution in the theoretical, practical, and pedagogical benefits. Theoretically, this analysis will give significance in order to improve the understanding in dialogue that can be used in reading. And practically, this study will be used as reference or reflection of analyzed speech acts in the dialogue of movie. Last is pedagogically, the teacher can apply the speech act in order to improve pragmatic and semantic object. Next is scope of the study. Regarding to the aforementioned research question, the study will be focused on not only on the realization of the speech act on types of speech act are used by the found in the movie in the beast, but also to figure out the most dominant types of speech act are used in the movie. Next is definition of key terms. First is linguistics is a scientific study of language according to Sinha 2005. Pragmatics is one of the linguistic studies that describe the meaning of a word, phrase, or sentence in their social context. According to Horn and Ward 2004, pragmatics is the study of these context-dependent and dependent aspects of meaning which are systematically abstract away from in the construction of content logical form. Second, based on Austin 1975, speech act as an attempt to explain the processes of how meaning are constructed within conversation. Movie, and the next is movie. Movie is a motion picture or film produced for entertainment that tell a story with the sequence and each the player who has different character according to Webster on page 657. Next point is review of related literature. The first is the nature of systematic functional linguistics or EFL. Functional linguistics are concerned with language not so much as psychological activity but more as a social activity which varies according to the different uses people have for it. It's according to Bat et al. 2004 on page 257 till 258. Second is speech act theory. According to Yule, 1996, speech act is a study of how the speaker and hearers are use language. According to Bach, 1979, explained that an action in verbal communication has message in itself. So the communication is not only about language but also with action. There are five of speech acts, which mean the five types of utterance developed by Will in 1996. Declarative, representative, expressive, directive, and commissive. And the last point is movie. Movie, one media that reflects the social lives of humans. According to Richard Barsham, 2009, movie, also known as film, is a motion picture with series of images which are constructed of multiple individual shots joined to another in an extended sequence. One of the important aspects mostly occurred in movie is the dialogue or conversation among the characters. The characters speak each other and there will be speech act. The last one is research method. The first part of this method is research design. This is design relevant to the research purpose and research question. A qualitative method will be applied in this research. Qualitative research concerned with process and tend to analyze and interpret of comprehensive visual data the number to know what their participants do in the study. It's according to Frankel in 2012 on page 1423. Moreover, it is qualitative because this research qualitatively results in descriptive data in the form of written ones. Next is data collection. The technique of data collection in this research is documentary study. This research applies a documentary study because the data is in the form of document or written text. According to the SCOM 2007 on page 230, argues that the document can be obtained from the internet such as website page, homepage, or email, and they can be treated like online documents. In this study, the data are taken from the official website of MovieScript, www.emisdb.com. The last is data analysis. In this research, descriptive and interpretative techniques are used as the technique of the data analysis. The descriptive technique is used to analyze the speech act produced by Belle in Beauty and the Beast movie by applying the theory of speech acts proposed by Epstein. After that, the interpretive method is used to interpret the purpose of the main character using speech acts according to Searle's theory of the type of speech act and the content of situation theory proposed by Halliday. Later, the findings are discussed by writing the findings to goals of the study. Last conclusion of the study are drawn. Okay, that's all about my material. Thanks for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.